So guys, today we are going to take number types. We are going to learn all types of numbers that are needed in order passing the IGCSE exams, also in order passing the other official exams. First, we are going to start with the odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers that are not divisible by 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. Even numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 2, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Now, the square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. Because 1 can be written as 1 to the power of 2, 4 is 2 to the power of 2, 9 is 3 to the power of 2, 16 is 4 to the power of 2, and so on. We call them square numbers because we can find another number. When we square it, we're going to get the number. Now, cube numbers, like 1, 8, 27, and so on, because 1 can be written as 1 cube or 1 to the power of 3, 8 is 2 to the power of 3, 27, is 3 to the power of 3, 64, is 4 to the power of 3, and so on. The most important one is 1000 here, which is 10 to the power of 3. Now, let's move on to natural numbers. Examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1000, and so on. We call them countable numbers. They are all the positive numbers. 0 is not a natural number. If you're still with us, means you are enjoying learning math with us. Please follow and share for more videos. Now, the whole numbers are the same as natural numbers, but including 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Integers. The integers are the negative and the positive whole numbers. Okay, negative and positive whole numbers, like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and so on. Now, rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written as a fraction. Like p over q, p and q are integers. We already know the meaning of an integer. Any whole number is rational, like 0, 1, 7, 9, 100, and so on. Fractions, for example, 3 over 5, -7 over 8, or negative fraction, mixed number, or improper fraction. Any type of fraction will be rational number, decimals that end, like 3.21, 7.3, and so on. When I say end, means at the end it will stop and it will not be recurring, not 21, 21, 21 infinitely. It is just only 121. Recurring decimal. 6.2 bar means 6.2222 infinitely, 3.251, 251, 251, infinitely 16.21, 21, 21, and so on. The square root. Any square roots with a square numbers inside it. Some examples. Square root of 1, square root of 16, square root of 25, square root of 121, and so on. Cube roots with a cube number inside, like cube root of 8, cube root of 64, cube root of 216, and so on. So all of these numbers are rational numbers. Very good. Now let's move on to irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers that can't be written as fraction. So we cannot write them as fractions. Any function with pi, example, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi over 7, 6 pi square, and so on. Decimals that don't end and not recurring. Example, 3.72, 583, and so on. We see clearly that these two numbers are irrational because they are not ending and at the same time they are not recurring. Square roots without a square number. Examples. Square roots of 3, square roots of 15, square roots of 10, square roots of 101. Any square root does not contain a square number is irrational. Cube root without a cube number, like cube root of 2, cube root of 5, cube root of 17, cube root of 100. We see clearly that the numbers inside the cube root is not a cube number, so directly each one is irrational. Hope you got the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. See you in the next lesson.